As you know about the API at this point, let's talk about API gateways. Most microservice architecture, different clients need to communicate with different microservices. So that means different clients would need to know the IP address of the different microservices. Wouldn't that be tedious, and wouldn't that be a tight coupling between the clients and the services? Let's talk about API gateway. An API gateway is basically a server that sits between a client and the backend services. So basically it handles all the requests from different clients and route them to the proper microservice. Now let's talk about why do we need an API gateway. API gateway know the addresses of all the application. API gateway can help the application not over exhausting the resources. It can implement the authorization and authentication technique. It handles different protocol and data formats for each service. There are different key features of an API. So the first is the request route. Whenever the request comes to an API, it's an API gateway responsibility to route it to an appropriate microservice. Second is the load balancing. An API gateway helps with balancing the load between different microservices and helps preventing an exhaustion of a certain application. The third is an authentication and authorization. So every application does not have to implement the logic of authentication, and API gateway can handle that part. There are popular gateway API solutions. Some of them are cloud-based, some of them are open source. So feel free to check them out.